Artificial intelligence is beginning to change everything in the insurance industry. And no, AI is not about to replace insurance agents. What it's doing is removing tasks that typically slow insurance agents down. It's eliminating the minor activities that typically produces little to no results, giving agents more time to focus on the major activity that leads to big results. Agents who understand how to use AI will have a major advantage, not because they work harder, because they have systems that's working for them. In this video, I want to explain how AI and automation is changing the game and how agents can start to save time, to improve follow-ups, and scale their agencies. Hello, my name is Ortez, and welcome to Ensure Your Success, where we have real conversations about agency ownership. One of the biggest challenges that insurance agents face is not the lack of opportunity. It's the amount of manual work that it takes to run an insurance agency. Think about this. How much time do you really spend on sending out emails, scheduling appointments, tracking leads, writing marketing content or creating content for social media, and responding to inquiries all day long? None of these tasks generate revenue quickly, but they do consume a significant amount of time. Many agents spend more time on managing their business instead of growing it. And this is where AI and automation starts to change the game. AI is already helping insurance agents to improve in several key areas. One of the biggest areas is CRM's automations. Automations can help you send out those follow-up messages, schedule reminders, track your conversations with your prospects, and organize your leads so you can maximize your profits. Instead of you trying to remember every follow-up that you need to make, automations will help you do that. Another area where AI is becoming very popular is lead nurturing. Now, we all know that lead cost has risen tremendously over these last few years. And in order to remain profitable, it's very important that you have some type of system in place to nurture those leads. When a lead comes in, AI automatically sends out a welcome message, appointment reminders, follow-up emails, and text confirmations. This improves your communication so your prospects are not forgotten, as well as your investment on those high-cost leads. Many insurance agents are starting to use AI to write emails, to create marketing posts for social media, training materials, and educational content. This allows agents to communicate more consistently without spending a whole lot of time writing out content. As your agency begins to grow, systems are going to become real important. AI helps insurance agencies to create a structured workflow so it can run smoothly. So why agency owners need to think more in systems? This is one of the biggest mindset shifts that's happening right now in the insurance industry. Producers tend to focus on working harder, making more calls, setting more appointments, doing more activity. But agency owners think differently. And this is where the mind shift happens. Agency owners focus on systems that work consistently. Instead of asking, how can I do more? They begin asking, how can I create a system to help do this? That shift changes how your business will operate from being more activity driven to being more system driven. AI and automation makes it possible for agencies to create processes that run efficiently without constant manual effort, giving them more time and energy to focus on things like developing agents, recruiting new talent, building leaders within the organization, all the things that they need to focus on to scale the business. Automations are not replacing insurance professionals, but they are changing how the business is being operated. If you're an insurance agent and you're interested in learning more how to use AI and automations to scale and grow your business, subscribe to the channel, and I'm curious to hear from you. on how you are currently using AI and automation to scale and grow your business. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, this is Artez with Ensure Your Success. I'll see you on the next video.